Do you know nicotine withdrawal is actually good for you? Yes, I know you may consider this strange, but it is a fact. In this video, I'll talk about 2 reasons why nicotine withdrawal is a good thing. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Air, Addiction Specialist. For more helpful tips on how to quit smoking, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification. One of the greatest fears you may have when you choose to quit smoking is the withdrawals that come with giving up cigarettes, and understandably so. As I'm sure you already know, withdrawals can be very uncomfortable and is a major cause of relapse. It is, however, important to have the right mindset when it comes to withdrawals. When you see withdrawal as a bad thing, it is more likely that you will struggle and possibly end up relapsing. When you see the positive side to withdrawals and understand why it is good for you and comprehend that this experience is actually positive, then you're more likely to overcome the temptation to grab a cigarette. So what really is nicotine withdrawal? This is the recovery process you experience when your body gets rid of nicotine after you stop smoking. 2 things happen here. 1, your body gets rid of nicotine, and 2, your body recovers. What this infers is that nicotine withdrawal is geared towards your body becoming healthier. Nicotine withdrawals can start as early as 30 minutes after your last cigarette. Of course, this is average and will vary a bit from person to person. Nicotine withdrawal symptoms include cravings, fatigue, irritability, difficulty sleeping, anxiety, and depressed mood. These are some of the symptoms, but if you want to learn more, check out the video link below. When you have been smoking for years, it means that a lot of toxins have accumulated in your body. When you stop, however, your body's natural defense mechanism begins to clear out the toxins. There are tiny cells in your lungs called cilia which help clean out your lungs, and this can manifest as coughing up phlegm for some time. Tobacco can affect virtually all the systems in your body. This shouldn't come as a surprise considering that cigarette smoke contains over 4,000 chemicals. Cigarettes can change your brain chemistry and of course lead to addiction. Smoking has been linked to dementia, emphysema, increased blood pressure and pulse, strokes, GERD, erectile dysfunction, diabetes, and various cancers. You may be impressed at how quickly the body is able to recover from toxic effects of smoking. And this applies even if you have been smoking for several years. It doesn't take years, months, or even days for your body to start recovering after you quit smoking. It only takes minutes. And the longer you stay away from cigarettes, the more healing your body can achieve. Within 20 minutes of your last cigarette, your blood pressure and heart rate decrease, and your blood oxygen levels improve. This decreases your risk of a heart attack. Within 2 days of quitting, your sense of taste and smell begin to improve. Within 3 to 5 days, most of the nicotine has left your body. This is likely when you will feel the worst of your nicotine withdrawal. Within about 2 weeks, your breathing is clearer and you feel more energetic. You're able to exercise better in about a month as your blood flow and quality is better and you can take in deeper breaths. 9 months after your last cigarette, your lungs are much healthier. The tiny sacs of air within your lungs called alveoli that help with oxygen and carbon monoxide exchange are in a much better shape. A year after quitting, your risk of a heart attack related to smoking has been cut down in half. And 5 years after, your risk of having a stroke is similar to a non-smoker. After 10 years, your risk of dying from lung cancer is now about half what it was when you were smoking. And after 20 years, your risk of having a heart attack is now equal to a non-smoker. As you can see, your body is able to heal itself to an extent if you stay off cigarettes. Nicotine withdrawals tend to be more mental than physical. Even if the physical symptoms are not as severe as you find with other drugs, it can be very unpleasant. Withdrawal symptoms tend to be the most intense within the first week of quitting. Knowing that nicotine withdrawal is actually good for you helps you in your journey to quitting cigarettes. In the Directed Action and Mindset Formula, I talk about 5 foundational steps that help you quit smoking and live a happier, smoke-free life. In this series, I discuss lifestyle changes to heal your body naturally. You can find this course at the link below. For more helpful videos to help you quit and live smoke-free, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification. Let me know in the comments which withdrawals you struggle with the most. Talk to you soon.